In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language settings in Google Analytics 4, more commonly known as GA4. This might seem like a simple task, but it's crucial for those who are more comfortable working in a language other than English, or for anyone who's managing accounts across different regions and languages. Let's dive in and walk you through the process. First off, you'll need to navigate to the Google homepage. This is where your journey begins. Google, as you know, is the gateway to a myriad of applications and tools, including Google Analytics. Once you're on Google's homepage, the next step is to sign into your Google account. You'll find the Sign In button usually in the top right corner of the page. Click on that button to proceed. After clicking Sign In, you should see a list of Google accounts if you have multiple ones. Choose the Google account you want to use for this session. It should be the one associated with your GA4 property. Then you'll be prompted to enter your password. Go ahead and do so. Remember, security is key, so ensure your password is typed in correctly. Clicking Next will take you forward. You're now signed into your Google account, but we're not stopping here. Look for the Google Apps icon. It's generally located in the top right corner of the page, symbolized by a square made up of 9 dots. Clicking on this icon will open a window with various Google applications. In this apps window, you're looking for Google Analytics. Once you find it, click on it. This will direct you straight to your Google Analytics dashboard. Now, here comes a critical step, accessing the admin settings. On the dashboard, there's a navigation panel. You'll want to look for a link or a gear icon that signifies admin. Clicking on this will take you to the admin settings page. Upon reaching the admin settings, your next move is to click on My Preferences. This option might be tucked away in one of the columns, so keep an eye out for it. My Preferences is essentially where you can customize your Google Analytics interface to suit your needs. And yes, this includes changing the language of the interface. Look for a section or a link that says User Settings or something along those lines. Within User Settings, you'll find the option to select your language. Click on Select Your Language. A drop-down menu should appear listing all the languages available. Google Analytics supports a wide range of languages, ensuring that users around the globe can navigate it in the language they're most comfortable with. Browse through the options and click on your preferred language. Once you've made your selection, the interface will immediately show you where to click next. Usually a button or link saying Save Changes or just Save. Go ahead and click Save Changes. With that, you'll have successfully changed the language settings of your Google Analytics 4 interface. The page might refresh, and voila, you should now see the interface displayed in your chosen language. It's important to note that changing the language settings here doesn't alter data or reports. Those remain unaffected. What changes is the language of the menu and various options, making navigation easier for those who prefer a language other than English. To sum up, changing the language in GA4 is a simple yet impactful adjustment that can make your analytics journey more intuitive and personalized. Whether you're a non-native English speaker or managing a global portfolio, having GA4 in a language that you're more comfortable with can significantly enhance your analytics experience. Remember, the internet and its suite of tools are designed to be inclusive and accessible. By personalizing settings like language, you're ensuring that these tools work best for you, empowering you to make more informed decisions based on the data provided by Google Analytics 4. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to change the language settings in GA4. We hope this tutorial was helpful and encourages you to dive deeper into understanding and utilizing Google Analytics 4 to its fullest potential. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to tune in for more tips and tutorials.